It is now Monday. Okay, the weekend's over. Assembled, move these things in. I need to mount them to the wall and attach them to each other, as well as attaching to each other on the other side as well. And then I'm done with the base. Everything that will be left is the shelving, the wallpaper, all of that jazz to make it personal, but I'm super excited with how this is turning out. I've been running out of memory on my phone a lot. I don't know why I got 128 gigs. So I think what I'm gonna do is not film this part because I think y'all are tired of seeing me moving fast in this content. But basically what I'm gonna do is take a long screw, which is my own screw because IKEA does not provide this, and drill it through the hole. There's an extension piece that you use to make sure that the hole is closed up, and you screw it into the wall. And this should make it lean all the way back and be completely against the wall. And that will make it attached to the wall. That's basically what I'm going to get into. I'll come back when I'm done with that. And as you can see right now, it moves. When I come back, it won't. And this should move all as one piece, all 3 pieces and all 2 pieces over here. Okay, I'm doing some of the final parts. Like attaching these cabinets to each other is critically important, so they move as one piece. I've already done it here at the bottom. Okay, I'm about to do it up here, preferably 1 notch before the shelf starts so I don't have to interrupt anything. So I'm using a claw gripper to do that. Pretty cheap, 18 bucks. And look how perfectly straight it is at the top. Wonderful. So what I'm doing is I'm attaching it to itself first, then I'm mounting it on the wall. I didn't do that here, but I had got them pretty close, so I was confident mounting them to the wall. But as you can see, that's also perfectly straight. All right, so here I'm about to add this bar that's gonna be for my shirts right here. So I still need to put the white covers like I did over here and here. The wallpaper will go about halfway down because the rest will be drawers. And I'm going to do this part of the wallpaper today as well. All right, so I need to move these clothes over here so I can wallpaper this today. At least I'm gonna give it a valiant effort. All right, now it's time to wallpaper this bad boy. All right, so this next part is probably the hardest I'll do. Luckily the other pieces I have are like halfway. But anyway, I need to align this bird tail to that one up there. And I'm only taking off half of it, so I'm gonna have to find a way to only open as much as I need to that corner. So like, it's gonna be, I'm using about half. But instead of pre-cutting it, I'm gonna cut it once it's up there. So I need to first stick it on. So I'm attaching another piece here. So this is like the 3rd piece basically Frankensteining this, but it'll be inconspicuous by the time I am done with the whole panel. But I just don't want to waste any wallpaper. And so the wood is starting to veer off to the other side. It's fine. I may lift it and shift it up again, but should be fine for now. Here's how it looks for the shelf. I think it looks fabulous, and I love it. I'm gonna go halfway down on this side and on this side. And on this side, we're almost there. It's coming along, ladies. And here is where mirror is gonna go. Okay, I was initially gonna wait to put up these until I had put up the lighting, but I think I'm gonna put them up now just to see how they fit up there. Oh. Can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings. Batman me and my feelings. Ain't nobody can test me. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really can't flex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Pass me the Hennessy. Let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend wifey. Man, I feeling so icy, vibey. Man, a bad man, you can call me wifey. I'm gonna put up the rest. With no ID. And we are bossy down with no ID. Here are two more bags. I've pretty much kept all my bags. And maybe at some point I will sell them for whatever. Now, I kind of like how they add to the decor. See the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up. Till the money them a turn up. Okay, well, here it is. It looks so good. There will be internal lighting in here, like in the cabinets and stuff. So to add to the ambiance, so there's less of a shadow. So I'm excited about that. I think the lighting alone is gonna be 300 and something because every single shelf is gonna have lighting. This was a fantastic idea and it'll be everywhere. This is aggravating. I'm gonna have to go back to IKEA because they gave me a shelf that has misaligned middle holes. Like, it's not even close. Like, you see how we went in here? No matter how I flip this, it's gonna be incorrect. I'll unscrew them for now, but I don't think that's enough support for that heavy frame. Is pretty heavy. Anyway, I was able to I just took it out. I don't have the energy to return this. I think it's fine because all that's gonna be up here is sheets. And this is how it looks all folded up perfectly. So I'm gonna put my flat sheets here. Not my flat sheets, my fitted sheets here and my flat sheets here. I only have about 3 or 4 sets, so they should fit perfectly there. And I may put something else back there, but the great thing is, since it's a glass shelf, it'll be able to fit without, I'll be able to see like what's back there without having to get on the ladder. So if I forget what I put back there, I should be good. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this week. I will be uploading next, like, the interiors I'm gonna add to this closet. I'm probably gonna do it before the week is over. But anyway, I'm having so much fun with this project. I'm loving how it's turning out. It's gonna help me express my personal style so much more. And I'll have so much more to share about my personal style and how I put pieces together and how I decide what to buy. that I know will be useful and used long term in my closet. So if you're interested in any of that, personal styling, luxury travel, all of that fun stuff, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you before the week is over.
Mona Lisa, trying to please her, fashionista.